Welcome to the Accountant's Guide to Conversion from QuickBooks Desktop to QuickBooks Online. My name is Erin Walsh-Dyer. In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step through a typical conversion. I will demo the conversion from QuickBooks Premier to QuickBooks Online. This same workflow can be expected when converting from QuickBooks Pro. If you need to convert from either Mac or Enterprise editions, please refer to these additional resources for more information. This training has been divided into 3 segments. Let's begin with pre-conversion and prepare both QuickBooks Online and Desktop for the conversion tool. Let's start by setting up a new QuickBooks Online subscription. Working from the QuickBooks Online Accountant dashboard, click your Quick Create button at the top right and choose Client. This will begin the setup for a new QuickBooks Online subscription. There are just a few required fields here, like business name and email address. Then we must choose what type of QuickBooks subscription to offer our client. We can put them on our wholesale bill where we receive QuickBooks Online at 50% off for the life of the subscription, or choose to have the client billed. We're going to go ahead and choose Online Plus and have our client billed. We will also make ourselves the master administrator of this QuickBooks Online subscription. Now we have the new client listed here in our accountant's dashboard, and just click the QuickBooks icon to go into the new client's data file. Now that we've created a new online subscription, we need to sign out of QuickBooks Online Accountant. It's time to move over to QuickBooks Desktop and verify that that file is ready for conversion. Open QuickBooks Desktop and follow these steps. Press F2 on your keyboard to open the product information screen. There should be less than 350,000 targets. Now click File, Utilities, Verify Data. This will run the data verification tool, which checks the database for stability. Click File, Utilities, Rebuild Data. QuickBooks Desktop will prompt a backup of the company file prior to rebuild. Choose a local location to back up this file, and then once the backup is complete, the rebuild feature will prompt and give you results. If there are no issues with the result, then you are ready to convert to QuickBooks Online. We are now ready to convert to QuickBooks Online. Let's run the conversion tool that is located in QuickBooks Desktop Edition. We will open the QuickBooks Desktop file and then export the file to QuickBooks Online. Back in QuickBooks Desktop, click Company, Export Company File to QuickBooks Online. That step started the conversion interview. The first prompt on the conversion is to log in to your QuickBooks Online accountant. Use the same username and password you used to log in to QBOA. The conversion tool now prompts us to place the desktop data in QBOA. Intuit will then send a confirmation email when the conversion is complete. If your client is converting to QBO Plus, you will be presented with an inventory activation question. Remember, QuickBooks Online Plus uses FIFO costing for inventory. The next prompt is where we choose the location for the QuickBooks Desktop data. We chose the QBO company file we set up in the previous segment. The final screen in the conversion tool is letting you know that Intuit is converting the file. You will now receive a confirmation email when the file has completed conversion. Post-conversion. We will now verify that the data transferred properly. Pull both the profit and loss and balance sheet reports in QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Desktop. Make sure they are run on all dates on an accrual basis. If you have converted inventory, your FIFO change in costing may affect these reports. Sign back in to QuickBooks Online Accountant. Navigate to your client's company file and click the QB icon to open it. Click Reports on the left navigation and choose Balance Sheet. To open a second report, we will navigate to the tab at the top left of the screen. Right-click the tab and choose Duplicate to open a second window. We will now navigate back to Reports on the left navigation and choose Profit and Loss. In QuickBooks Desktop, go to Reports, Company and Financial, Balance Sheet Standard. Choose All Dates from the drop-down and make sure this is run on accrual basis. You now will verify that the same information appears in QuickBooks Online. Go to the balance sheet, choose all dates, accrual basis, and run the report. Compare these two reports row by row, verifying that every line has the exact same amount. Let's click the second tab to open the profit and loss. Change the dates to all dates, accrual basis, and run this report. Back in Desktop, click Reports, Company and Financial, Profit and Loss Standard. Navigate to the top left, choose all dates, accrual basis. Again, compare these two reports row by row. If both the balance sheet and profit and loss match, your conversion was successful. Now that we've confirmed that the conversion went properly, there are more steps to take. Follow this link for a detailed post-conversion checklist. The tasks on the post-conversion checklist include initial reconciliations, connecting bank feeds, setting up custom reports, etc. These final steps will help you get the file ready for your client. Thank you for joining me, Erin Walsh-Dyer, with your steps for converting from desktop to QuickBooks Online.